Okay, starting off solving logarithmic equations. Here I have log base 3 x minus 5 equals 2. Realizing the connection between logarithmic and exponential forms, I can rewrite this in exponential form. My base is 3, my exponent is 2. That's equal to x minus 5. So now I have 9 is equal to x minus 5. Adding 5 to both sides of the equation, I get x equals 14. Here I have a log with base 10 minus log base 10 of 3 equals 1. This turns into, using the quotient rule then, log 45x over 3 equals 1. 45x divided by 3 is 15x. Log 15x equals 1. So my base is 10, so rewriting this in exponential form, I have 10 to the first is equal to 15x. Well, divide both sides of the equation by 15, and I get x equals 2/3. X equals 2/3. Okay, continuing on. Here I have log base 4 x squared equals 7. So this turns into, using the power rule, I will go 2 times log base 4 to the x equals 7. Dividing both sides by 2. Now I have log base 4 of x is equal to 3.5. So I know 4 to the 3.5 power equals x. So taking my calculator then, and let's go, turn it on, clear it out. So if I have 4 raised to the 3.5 power, I get 128. So x equals 128. Here I have log x plus 9 equals 1. Using the product rule then, this becomes 1 log, and this is x times x plus 9 equals 1. So this is log x squared plus 9x equals 1. So this is base 10. So I have 10 to the first equals x squared plus 9x. And so if I subtract 10 from both sides of the equation, I now have 0 equals x squared plus 9x minus 10. So here we go. X squared plus 9x minus 10 equals 0. And at this point I'd probably use the quadratic formula. So I'm going to let a equals 1, b equals 9, c equals negative 10. And let's see here. So x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2a. Replacing the variables with values, I have negative 9 plus or minus the square root. Negative 9 times negative 9 is a positive 81, minus 4 times 1 times 10 times negative 10 all over 2 times 1. Okay, so this becomes x equals negative 9 plus or minus 81 plus 40 over 2. which is negative 9 plus or minus the square root of 121 over 2, and that happens to be 11. So x is equal to negative 9 plus or minus 11 over 2. So I have two different answers. I have x equals negative 9 minus 11 over 2, which is negative 20 over 2, which is negative 10. Or I have x equals negative 9 plus 11 over 2, which is 2 over 2, which is 1.